Welcome back to CARSJADE, your laid-back pit stop for all things automotive. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2026 Audi Q3, the third-generation subcompact crossover that's not just stylish. It's smarter, greener, and more electrified than ever with a powerful plug-in hybrid option. Let's cruise through the details. The 2026 Q3 is no minor facelift. It's a total evolution. Audi has redesigned it from the ground up to look sharper, drive smoother, and stay relevant in the increasingly crowded compact SUV space. Most importantly, it now comes with a plug-in hybrid setup offering up to 75 miles, WLTP, of electric range, making this Q3 a perfect blend of city efficiency and weekend-ready performance. Audi didn't hold back with the new Q3's styling. It sports a wider stance, a more dynamic front grille, and new split LED headlight units with striking matrix LED tech on upper trims. The side profile features tighter surfaces and sculpted fenders, while the rear adds sleek OLED taillights and an illuminated light bar that stretches across the tailgate. You'll also see blacked-out accents and available 20-inch wheels, giving it that premium and athletic vibe. Inside, the Q3 feels both futuristic and functional. Front and center is a 12.8-inch touchscreen running on Audi's new Android-based infotainment system, paired with an 11.9-inch digital cockpit. There's built-in Google Maps, voice assistant, and wireless Apple CarPlay/Android Auto. Audi moved the gear selector behind the steering wheel, freeing up console space for wireless charging pads, storage bins, and cup holders. You get ambient lighting, tri-zone climate control, a premium Sonos sound system, and sustainable upholstery choices, including recycled and leather-free options. It's basically a tech lover's dream, wrapped in Audi refinement. You've got several powertrains to choose from, but the standout is the plug-in hybrid variant. It pairs a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine with an electric motor, offering up to 268 horsepower and 295 lb-ft of torque. It's quick, smooth, and ideal for short all-electric commutes. The battery is a 19.7 kilowatt-hours usable pack, good for over 100 kilometers, and it supports 50 kilowatts DC fast charging, a rare feature in this segment. Other engine options include a 1.5L TFSI mild hybrid, a 2.0L TFSI petrol, a 2.0L TDI diesel. Most trims offer Quattro AWD, and you can expect a 7-speed S-tronic dual-clutch transmission for crisp shifts. Audi officially revealed the third-generation Q3 in June 2025, with European deliveries beginning in fall 2025. The plug-in hybrid variant will follow closely behind, with global rollouts including the US and Australia expected in early 2026. Pricing in Europe starts at €44,600, $48,000, for the base model, while the PHEV begins around €49,300, $53,000. US pricing is expected to start near $42,000, with a plug-in hybrid likely to be $48,000 to $52,000, depending on trim and options. The 2026 Audi Q3 is no longer just an entry-level luxury SUV. It's a full-on tech showcase wrapped in a compact, practical package. With a long-range plug-in hybrid, digital-first interior, and upgraded styling, it's easily one of the best premium subcompact crossovers for those who want style and sustainability in one neat bundle. And that wraps up our first full look at the 2026 Audi Q3 plug-in hybrid. If you're into stylish SUVs that also care about the planet, this one's definitely worth considering. If you enjoyed this relaxed deep dive, don't forget to smash that like button, tap the bell, and subscribe to CARSJADE for more fresh car content every week. Got thoughts on Audi's latest hybrid? Drop your comments below. We'd love to hear what you think. Until next time, stay smooth, stay curious, and keep driving forward.